Hey folks, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Edison floor plan, part of the Patio line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Edison here is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath home. You're going to get over 2,100 square foot, 2-car garage, plus a half bath downstairs. So let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home. So we're going to focus first upstairs. That's where you're going to find all of your bedrooms. So right off the front door, you have your stairwell, and this is going to drop you off right into this loft area here. So nice added space here for additional seating and entertainment. And then back towards this way, these are all the guest bedrooms. So you have 4 guest bedrooms. Here's the first one. There's the second, and you'll see all these bedrooms have the bifold style closet setup. Now right across you have the third guest bedroom. We've got the guest bath here as well, with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. And last but not least, we've got guest bedroom number 4 here. So final piece upstairs is the owner's retreat. So really nice size bedroom here. That's a king size bed for perspective. And we've got the owner's bathroom here with the singular sink, the linen closet. You've got the commode right there, the standalone shower here. And then you've got a really nice size walk-in closet here with the Edison as well in your owner's retreat. So now we're going to head downstairs and take a look at all of your living spaces. So here we go down the stairs and right back towards the entry. Now the first thing we're going to come across is the half bath here. So keeps you from having to go upstairs. You've got the commode here and the singular sink. And then this all opens up into this nice great room design with your dedicated dining space here, your entertainment zone, and then your nice open kitchen here with the stainless appliance package. And all of this overlooking your living spaces. Last but not least, you've got your indoor laundry room here. And that door will take you out to your 2-car garage. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this layout, we can help you out. Contact us at all of the information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.